Ariana who? Who is she? We literally don't know her. Oh my god, plane noise. Jeez. I'm trying to record a YouTube video here and you're fucking up my audio. Like, the fuck is your problem, man? She is a dramatic bitch, okay? She will catch you outside. She's 35 inches. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. I just bought it. I like burnt the roof of my mouth really excitedly eating some Chef Boyardee spaghetti. We're having a fun time. Who? Who, me? Bitch, you need it. What? Cut that out. Sorry. You don't gotta be jealous of them other bitches who be having cute buns when your bun be looking like Raggedy Ann, okay? Amazing. I would just call it some bullshit, honestly. I don't know. It's getting late. My brain is shutting down. So IG2G, LYLAS, TTYL, swag.